If you're doing the same boring task every day, you can hand it to an AI without writing a single line of code. Let me show you how in about 2 minutes. The idea is simple: a trigger, an AI step, and an action. Something happens, AI processes it, and a result gets sent somewhere. Here's a concrete build you can copy today. Say you get customer questions through a form. Step 1. Create a free account in a no-code tool like Make or Zapier. Step 2. Add a trigger that fires when a new form response arrives. Step 3. Connect an AI module and paste this prompt. Read this customer message and write a friendly 2-sentence reply draft. Step 4. Add a final action that emails that draft to you. Now, instead of writing every reply from scratch, you review a draft and hit send. That's it. Your first real step right now. List the 3 tasks you repeat most this week. Pick the most annoying one. That's your automation candidate. Start with just the trigger and one action. Test it with fake data. Then add the AI step once the pieces connect. Don't try to automate everything at once. One working flow beats 10 broken ones. A quick honest note on money. Saving 5 hours a week doesn't magically make you rich, but it does free up time you can sell or use to build the next thing. Some people turn these skills into small freelance gigs, setting up automations for local businesses. There are no guarantees here, just a genuinely useful skill that compounds. Build one automation today, watch it run tomorrow, and you'll start seeing repetitive work everywhere you can delete. If this helped, subscribe for more no-code builds you can finish in an afternoon.